Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. FreetuxTV package is not available on Ubuntu-based repository, so you can install it via apt-ppa method by importing and installing the ppa by running the following command. Execute an apt-update to reflect the newly imported ppa. Now install the application. Access FreetuxTV through the command line by running the next command, or also you can search in the system search bar by typing FreetuxTV or by icon. It will synchronize the list of TV channel before being launched. You can select one from a list of language channel group that are predefined. For example, I will add this group. Successfully added as shown. Now trying to play any channel. You will see the following. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.